Hello everybody, today we'll be teaching you how to tell from a fake Zippo to a real Zippo. Now first of all, they do look almost the same from the back, but as you turn them around, they start to look a little different, but other than this design, they do look the same. Now this one right here is my collector Zippo. Let me turn my camera off a little bit. This is a collector Zippo. It says Sailor Jerry on the front, and it's got some playing cards, and it does work exactly like a Zippo. Yeah, it is not a Zippo. 2006 limited edition, made in China, and Zippos are made in the US. So you know, it looks like a Zippo, but it's not a real Zippo. Here is something that is a Zippo. Something here is a Zippo. It looks like a Zippo because it is a Zippo. And many ways you can tell from a real Zippo is that they have these two, you might not be able to see them, but there's two dots above and under the hinge. That's what keeps it in. Zippos can be kind of thin, and they are made in the USA. Perhaps this is not made in the USA, it's made in China, but it's got barely any wobble to it, where this, take it out, has wobble to it a lot, because this is the one I use tricks for, because my other one is meant for collecting. Now perhaps this one is heavier, this one is lighter. The reason why this is heavier is because it is thicker than a Zippo. If you squeeze it, it doesn't bend in. If you squeeze the Zippo, it bends in. So Zippos are thinner, and you know, the fake Zippos are some of them are fatter. Some of them can be exactly like it, but so basically they do look identical from the back, other than the color and the designs. But this is my trick Zippo. That's why, you know, it drops a lot. That's why it's got the vent on the top. This one's in very new condition. Got it a couple days ago, so that's why. You know, it's a collector's item, and I've only used it about 20 times because I like Zippos, and I decided to use it. I didn't have to, but I kind of wanted to. So yep, there's the fake. And here is the real. Thank you guys for watching. This was just explaining how to tell from a real Zippo to a fake Zippo. There are more ways you can tell from a fake Zippo to a real Zippo. If you guys have any questions, just put them in the comments. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I will have more videos in the future, such as how to put in a Zippo wick, and how to put in a Zippo flint, and for beginners, just how to put in some Zippo lighter fluid. And I will be doing some knife videos, style song videos. This is just a trailer, and multi-tool videos. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.